Hi cuties, let's ride the ABC train. It will letters, numbers, and how good things help our bodies too. Let's hop aboard the learning train with letters, numbers, fun and brain. Each stop's a lesson, fun and bright. Let's sing and learn, day or night. A is for apple, red and round. Crunch it up, what a sound. Apples help your tummy stay happy. B is for ball that bounces high. Kick it, throw it, watch it fly. Balls keep you active and strong. C is for carrot, orange and bright. Crunchy and sweet, a healthy bite. Carrots help your eyes see better. D's for drum, tap, tap, boom. Play the beat and make some room. Drumming helps your brain stay sharp. E is for egg, smooth and white. Boiled or scrambled, such a delight. Eggs give energy to play all day. Host says, let's stop and count before more letters. One little engine choo-chooing past. Two round wheels rolling fast. Three train cars full of fun. Four kids laughing in the sun. Five shiny stars twinkle bright. Six frogs jumping left and right. Seven rainbow balls bounce around. Eight balloons lifting off the ground. Nine kittens now in line. 10 fingers wave, it's counting time. F is for fish, swimming fast. In the water they zoom right past. Fish are great for your brain. G is for grapes, purple and sweet. Tasty and juicy, a healthy treat. Separates help keep skin healthy. H is for hat you wear on your head. Keeps you warm when you go to bed. Hats keep you cozy and safe. I is for ice cream, cold and fun. Melts in the sun, better eat some. Better eat some, sweet treat, but not every day. J is for jump, hop up high. Touch the clouds up in the sky. Jumping makes your legs strong. K is for kite, flying in the breeze. Up in the sky with so much ease. Flying kites is good for focus and fun. L is for lemon, yellow and tart. Sour but healthy, good for your heart. Lemons give you vitamin C. N is for moon in the night sky. Glowing bright, way up high. The moon helps us dream at night. N is for nest in a tree so tall. Birds fly home when they hear the call. Nests show us how animals care. O is for orange, juicy and round. Peel it, eat it, health all around. Oranges boost your immune power. P is for panda, black and white. Chomping bamboo, what a sight. Pandas are gentle and strong. Q is for queen with a golden crown. Ruling the castle in her gown. Queens teach kindness and care. R is for rainbow, colors so bright. After the rain, what a sight. Rainbows teach us to look for beauty. S is for sun shining above. It gives us warmth and lots of love. T is for train that goes choo-choo. Riding the tracks, me and you. Games take us on learning trips. U is for umbrella. Open it wide, it keeps you.
Ew! It's for watermelon, juicy and red. So tasty, better than bread.
Watermelons keep you cool and full. X is for xylophone, ding ding ding. Colors and music, together we sing. Xylophones help you learn sounds. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Spinning and spinning all around. Yo-yos teach balance and fun. Z is for zebra, stripy and fast. Running wild and having a blast. Zebras are special